This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday evening. I'm James Spann. Beautiful fall weather tomorrow through the weekend. Nice and quiet. Very typical of October. Let's go in there and check things out with the Skycam network this afternoon. A cloud cover in place at Hamilton. That's our Skycam in Marion County at Hamilton High School. Pretty similar sky there coming from Fultondale, north of downtown Birmingham. Stratocumulus clouds in the sky. And up in Decatur, overlooking the Tennessee River, a cloudy, breezy, and cool October day. As expected, we have clouds over the northern part of the state today, but south of Birmingham, the sky mostly sunny. And again, as this big trough rotates through here this evening, I think that could squeeze out some light rain or a few showers, mainly north of US 278, north of Hamilton to Cullman to Gadsden, but rain amounts there should be light and spotty. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s. In fact, some spots barely out of the 50s up in that cloud cover. Haleyville 60, Fort Payne 61, Birmingham at 69, but down to the south in Montgomery, where the sun is shining, they've got 75. Around the nation, you can pick out that trough over the east with cooler temperatures underneath that. And we'll see readings just really nice here for the next 7 days or so. Delightful. Quick peek at the radar, and again, at the moment, that was at 2:42. There was no rain, but don't be shocked if a few showers show up there early tonight, mainly north of Cullman and Gadsden. Other than that, we'll be dry. This is the rain through Monday morning of next week. Nothing statewide. That's a big old bad hurricane right there. This is interesting. This is a Category 4 hurricane now, Gonzalo, but there's no eye visible there on the visible satellite view. The top winds 130 miles an hour, no change in the forecast track. This should pass just west of Bermuda on Friday. And then moving out to sea, no threat to the United States. We'll check modeling. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock, the trough axis east of here. And the day should be beautiful. Sunshine in full supply. The high will be around 70. This is Friday. A little warmer. We might be pushing 80. Thickness values are coming up. For now, we'll say upper 70s. But a new surge of cool air moves in Saturday. You can see a nice surge of northerly flow there. The high Saturday will drop back in the mid-70s. Sunday, just gorgeous. And the whole weekend, whatever. Race weekend at Talladega, football, everything great. Sunday morning, we start the day in the 40s. The high should be in the low to mid-70s. Monday of next week, same thing. Tuesday, looking good. And a week from today, just dry as could be. And we note the GFS continues to hint at tropical mischief down there in the Bay of Campeche. By the way, here's the upper chart Wednesday of next week, and it's a trough ridge trough configuration over the North American continent. This is Saturday, October 25th. The GFS develops a tropical storm in the far southern Gulf, and on the 27th, it moves it up toward Apalachicola. I'll say this, there's been great consistency in this idea, but we all know the GFS is famous for these bogus tropical systems that never happen in the medium range. And boy, look at the cold air building over Canada. And then on Halloween, October 31st, big trough over the east, and whoom, here comes the cold air. Woo, boy. Come on now. 540 line down to Memphis, Tennessee. Wow, that'll get us some frost for sure if this happens, which is very possible. Temperatures for the next 15 days are looking pretty good. 80s are gone. Our warmest day Friday, coming off the ensemble here, it's got a high of 75. And again, we could see some spots maybe pushing 80 on Friday, but beyond that, highs mostly in the 60s and lows mostly in the 40s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.